Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can find out the model name of your iPhone 12. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on General. Then tap on About. And in here, it will show you the model name of your iPhone. So for example, this one here is an iPhone 12 Pro. So when you are buying a phone of someone else, you want to make sure it is what they say it is. So it could be just an iPhone 12, an iPhone 12 Pro, an iPhone 12 Max. So you just want to make sure that is the correct one. So just go in the About section and find out the model name. And in here, the system will give you a feedback of which phone it is. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.